Hi again. I realized from my last video that I didn't share the appropriate window with you for MLA formatting for your Word doc. So I just wanted to show you real quick. I'm going to share the correct screen with you this time. It didn't automatically go over to my other screen, and I just realized that. So bear with me a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. This time, I'm going to show you the Word document format. All right, so if you are working in Google Docs, look at the previous video. I showed you how to work through Google Docs and MLA formatting. This one is for MLA formatting in a Word document. We're going to do something similar. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the templates. Whenever I want to work with a new Word document, I always pull up the part where it says new document. Instead of putting in the blank document, we're going to go where it says MLA style paper. Now, if you don't see that in your little menu up above, just click more templates and it will come up in your search. So more templates. Mine is already saved up there because I've showed students before, so I have it kind of saved in my templates. But by all means, just go ahead and search MLA, and it usually pops right up with a couple different samples. One, it says MLA style research paper. The other one just says style paper. We're going to click on paper because we're not necessarily using all the research formatting information in there. So we're going to create that format. And I'm going to make sure that I'm sharing the right screen with you. And hopefully that works. It should be the right one now. Yep. That's good. All right. So it looks similar to our Google Doc, except they actually, in the header, they actually added your last name information in there for you. You just replace last name with your actual last name, Smith, for example. Then you put in your name, the instructor name. So again, we've got Mrs. Parmentier or Mrs. P. Course name, and GL 232, and our date, 14 March 2021. And this one actually gives you some information about MLA formatting in the context of the sample. Now it's talking about research papers, but a lot of the stuff overlaps with what we're doing because, again, we are citing from literature. So we're citing books, we're citing works of literature, we're citing those authors. It also gives you some information about in-text citations. And again, the OWL at Purdue site is great for in-text citations and doing your works cited entries in there. So there's a lot of good information in here. It includes a table because it's more focused for research. We don't use tables or anything like that in our literary analysis papers. So you can kind of ignore that in the picture, whatnot. For some reason, their template doesn't put the works cited title in the middle, so we're just going to switch that over. We're going to center it. So really, you know, that's a little picky thing because the templates are really good ways to get you started. It's already double spaced. It already has all the formatting information in there. So whether you use a Google Doc template or the Word template, you should be well on your way to having some of those components for MLA put into your paper. I hope this helps. Sorry for having to do another video, but I was like, well, I'll just do another one. That's not a problem. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you on your papers.